Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the lip bass aka the lip oscillation. The lip oscillation or the lip bass is a really basic bass sound of beatboxing, and it is widely used by many beatboxers in combos, techniques and drops. And the lip oscillation or the lip bass is a really powerful sound on the mic, so I recommend all the beatboxers to learn this sound. The normal lip bass is done by tightening the sides of your lips and blowing out air from the center of your mouth by relaxing your lips and keeping them together, thereby making them to vibrate or flap over each other to get the sound like. Or if you people are finding it difficult to do the sound, you can add a kick drum before the lip bass to get started with the vibration of your lips, like. And after you get the hang of the vibration of your lips, you can experiment with different pressure on your lips to get a wide range of variation from a very loose sounding lip bass like to a very tight and precise lip bass like. Or you can experiment it along with different sounds such as the hiss sound like shh or the outward K snare or the tu sound like to get variations such as. And after you guys learn the sound, a very simple practice pattern would be. And along with a very high pressure lip bass, it would sound like. And another pattern along with the hiss or the sh lip bass would be. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with this sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.